Stop. If you're thinking about buying MoviePix AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this software claims that you can create an entire animated TV show like The Simpsons, Family Guy, South Park, or even your own Netflix-style series could be done with a single prompt. No animation skills, no voice actors, no video editing. Sounds impossible, right? But is it actually revolutionary? Or just another overhyped AI tool? In this review, I'm going to show you exactly what MoviePix AI is, what you get inside, the pros, the cons, my honest opinion. If you decide to get MoviePix AI after watching this review, make sure you use the link below this video and some exclusive bonuses if you decide to pick it up today. Let's get started. What is MoviePix AI? MoviePix AI is basically an all-in-one AI animation studio. Instead of hiring writers, animators, voice actors, editors, and sound designers, you simply enter a prompt. MoviePix AI then creates scripts, characters, animated scenes, voiceovers, background music, sound effects, trailers, complete episodes, and even multi-episode animated shows. Think of it as having an entire animation production team available 24/7 and benefits. Why people are interested? Imagine being able to create YouTube cartoon channels, launch anime content, build kids' content brands, create story channels, produce social media shorts, sell animated videos to clients, generate affiliate marketing content, and do all of this without expensive software or freelancers. For content creators and marketers, that's a huge opportunity. Inside MoviePix AI, you'll get AI show generator, AI scriptwriter, animated scene creator, AI show builder, AI voiceovers in 70+ languages, AI background music engine, AI trailer generator, image to animation tool, multi-language show creation, commercial license included, unlimited genre creation, and one-click content monetization features. Everything is managed through a single dashboard. Honest pros and cons. Pros: creates complete animated shows quickly, beginner-friendly, multiple monetization options. Commercial license included, supports multiple languages, and can create content across many niches. Cons: AI-generated content may still require editing. Results depend heavily on your prompts. Not every generated scene will be perfect, and success still depends on marketing and audience building. Results: what to expect. MoviePix AI is not a magic money button. It won't create a successful YouTube channel overnight. It can dramatically reduce the time, cost, and effort required to create animated content. Instead of spending weeks producing one episode, you could potentially create multiple episodes in a single day. When you pick up MoviePix AI through my link today, you'll also receive Bonus 1, AI Cartoon Channel Domination Blueprint, value $297. Learn how to launch, grow, and monetize AI-generated animation channels using proven content strategies, niche selection, and audience growth methods. Bonus 2, Viral Storytelling, Prompt Vault, value $247. A collection of high-converting storytelling prompts designed specifically for animated shows, cartoon channels, shorts, and viral content creation. Total bonus value, $544+, and you'll get both bonuses completely free through my link below. So, is MoviePix AI worth it? If you're looking for a faster and easier way to create animated content, cartoon channels, story videos, trailers, or even full AI-generated shows, then MoviePix AI is definitely worth considering. If you want to check out MoviePix AI and claim all of my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.